Hi everybody! You know what time it is? It's time for final assembly. I thought I would take the bike outside for you to have a better look. But first, I just want to take a second to say thank you. Every single one of you who has watched, left a comment or a like, and especially subscribed, play a huge role in this shopper being able to finally roll out of this garage. And don't worry, I don't consider this bike being finished. I'm not sure if a bike like this can ever be finished. I view this as the first iteration. I already have some ideas about things I want to change or add, but that's for another day. Now let's get this one out of here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!